Hey guys, just a quick video from the sharpening bench. What I've got here is a TSPROF Blitz 360 sharpener, a very nice knife in M390, and I've used a four-step progression of stones from 250 grit through 1200 grit. These are the Veneve Industrial Diamond stones, the Orion series. These are from Gritomatic. But the thing that's got me very excited is I've been able to use lapping films. And this is a 46,000 grit lapping film that comes from States LLC. And it really, really makes the edge pop. And it's kind of hard to get the camera to cooperate here and show you that, but it's a mirror polish. There's no scratches in there. And it was one of the major drawbacks to buying the Blitz 360 was that I was unable to get the lapping film kit that came with the KME, which I used for a decade. At any rate, you can see the little fine particles in the bowl there. And I'm really enjoying it. I've done M390, S110V, LC200N. Here's a Spyderco that I did the other day. And I've been carrying and using it. Once again, it's a mirror. The Orion series of stones cuts very, very well, very quickly. And then if you just want that next step of polish, the mirror edge can be had with these lapping films. Once again, contact States LLC. They're online. And the set is very reasonably priced. I used the Edge Pro blanks. And the Edge Pro blanks with the lapping films are identical in thickness with the Orion stones. And the reason that's important is I don't have to do a lot of adjustments for blade thickness. They're within a thousandth of the same thickness as the lapping films. Anyway, once again, you can get these at States LLC. I'm very happy that George O'Brien over at States took the time to track down the folks that make this lapping film and make it available for people that have the larger 1x6 stones. Have a good one. Thanks again.